Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful handmade crochet flower pins. They are super easy and fun to make, even if you are just starting out with crochet. Let's get started. For this project, you shall need some basic materials. You shall need some yarn in your favorite color, a crochet hook that matches your yarn size, a pair of scissors, and a sewing needle. You shall also need some brooch pins to attach your flowers to. Start with a slip knot. First, we are going to start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and pull the yarn through the loop to create a knot. This will be the starting point for your flower. Step number 2, chain stitches. Next we are going to make some chain stitches. For this flower we shall chain 6. To do this, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Repeat this until you have 6 chains. Step number 3, joining the chain. Now we are going to join the ends of the chain to make a circle. Insert your hook into the first chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through both loops. This creates a small ring which will be the center of your flower. Making the petals. To make the petals, we shall start by chaining 3. This will count as our first double crochet. Then we shall make 2 more double crochets into the ring, completing the petals. After the 3 double crochets chain, the finishes one petal, slip stitch into the ring to secure it. Now repeat this process to create more petals, finishing the flower. Once you have completed all 5 petals, it's time to finish the flower. Cut the yarn, leaving a small tail, ending the pin. Now that the flower is done, it's time to turn into a pin. Take your brooch pin and thread the needle with the leftover yarn. Final touches. Once the pin is attached, you can make any adjustment to the flowers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.